On today's episode of Cooking with Stu, we are making Chicago hot dogs, or better known as Chicago dogs, Stu style. We start with Teton Waters Ranch 100% grass-fed beef classic bratwurst. They're a little pricey, but they are so good. They don't have no lips and tongues and any of that crap in there. These are amazing. I absolutely love them. They taste phenomenal. Campari tomatoes, sliced peppers and onions, yellow mustard, no ketchup because everybody knows you don't put ketchup on a Chicago dog. Dill relish. We have Chicago style buns packed with so many poppy seeds you could feed a small country. Celery seed because I don't have celery salt. Wow, my camera cannot focus today. Look, there you go. Claussen's pickles, and this, we're gonna keep that back there. That is my secret ingredient. Pop Daddy Pretzels Peppercorn Ranch. So, let's get started.